Welcome back to Flemingsberg. I have Daria from Touchlight here. Very welcome.
Thank you.
Why are you here today?
So we are here today to connect with the community in Sweden and really to, promote and discuss our synthetic DNA that we provide for the research and clinical purposes.
So what do you offer to your customers?
Sure. So we are based in the UK. We have a manufacturing facility in London, and we are an alternative to plasmid DNA. So we manufacture synthetic DNA using enzymatic process, and there are many, many benefits to that. So first of all, these DNA is much safer than plasmid DNA because you don't have any bacterial components in it, and there are a lot of technical advantages as well to using that as your alternative to plasmid to make your therapeutics.
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy your time in Sweden.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having us here.